When starting a business, such as grocery store as we discussed earlier, we must establish a legal entity by forming a company or a corporation. So this process involves registering a business with your government and providing it with a legal identity. So there are two main types of legal entities. One, not-for-profit organizations, and two, for-profit organizations. Not-for-profit organizations include charitable trusts, incorporated associations, societies, foundations, and cooperatives, etc. These legal names may vary depending on country to country, but we'll not discuss much into the not-for-profit organizations in this course. But I'll give few examples for your understanding. So the not-for-profit organizations are Red Cross Society or Melinda Gates Foundation, etc. Now let's look into for-profit entities. So for-profit entities can be even further divided into two categories. One is unlimited liability entities. The second one is limited liability entities. Let's see unlimited liability entities first. So they don't differentiate between promoters' assets or business assets. So what does that mean? I'll explain in detail. If a business incurs losses or severe debts, the lenders will have the right to recover those debts from the promoter's assets as well. So examples of unlimited liability entities include sole proprietorships or partnership firms, etc. Now let's see limited liability entities. Limited liability entities limit the promoter's liability to the amount they invested in the business only. So if a business experiences losses or severe debts, lenders can only recover that amount from the business assets alone. They cannot recover that particular amount from the promoter's personal assets. Some examples of limited liability entities are Google, Apple, etc. And these companies come under this particular category.